Hello children, welcome to Math Park. Let us solve part 2 of exercise 21A, the solids from class 9 ICSE, the book Kaun Sa hai Selena. So in this we are going to solve question number 11 to 16 children. So if you like it, please share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. External dimensions of closed wooden box. So you have a wooden box, a cuboidal wooden box. So this is the wooden box. And this box has some thickness. So this is the wooden box. A cuboidal wooden box of the dimensions 27. So the length is 27, the breadth is 19, and the height is 11 centimeter. And if the thickness of the wooden box is 1.5 centimeter, that means you have to find out the volume of the box. That means the wood which is being used. So there is inside another box somewhere like this, okay, and the thickness is given to you as 1.5. So how will we find the dimensions? Let's first write external dimensions. So external dimensions, these outer dimensions are given to you as 27 times 19 times 11. Okay. Now, how do I find internal? The thickness is given 1.5. So 1.5 and 1.5 from here I subtract. So 27 minus 3, this is 24. I get the length. Same way from the breadth also I have to subtract 1.3, 1.3 from here. So 3. So 16 minus 3, the breadth I get as 16. And from the height also 1.5 and 1.5. So 11 minus 3, the height of this internal I get 8. So your internal dimensions are, are you got the length as 24, the breadth as 16, and the height as 8. You are asked to find the volume of the wood in the box. So volume of wood, that is how much wood is being used. Volume of wood is equal to volume of external cuboid, volume of external minus volume of internal. So external, since it is a cuboid, we know that the volume is length into breadth into height. So 27 into 19 into 11 minus 24 into 16 into 8. Let us find this external and internal volume. Let us multiply the external volume. We get 5,643, and the internal volume 24 times 16 times 8. You multiply, you get 3072 centimeter cube. And let us subtract this, which we get it as 2571 centimeter cube is the volume of the wood used. The volume of the wood is 2571 centimeter cube. Now you are asked to find the cost. The cost of the box if the wood costs this. So the cost is equal to volume multiplied by the rate, which is 2571 multiplied by the rate is 1.20 per meter. So 2571 multiplied by 1 rupees, sorry, 1 rupees and 20 paise, which we get it as rupees 3085 and 20 paisa. Always two decimal places we need to write. Now you are asked to find the number of cubes. So how many cubes will be fitting over here? So number of cubes is going to be the internal volume. How much is the cubes are going to be placed here, divided by the volume of each cube, the edge of which is 4 centimeters. So number of cubes which can be placed here is equal to internal volume, it is 3072, divided by the volume of the each cube which is going to be placed is 4 centimeter each. Let us simplify. 4 sevens are 28, 2 7 again, 4 6 are 24, 3 4 8 are 32. So again 768, let us divide by 4. You get it as 192. So 4 ones and 192. And then 192 you divide by 4, which you get it as 48. So this is how you get this as 48. So 48 cubes. 48 cubes can be placed in this box. Got it? A tank 20-meter long, 12-meter wide, and 8-meter deep is to be made of iron sheet. So there is an iron sheet, okay, and from this iron sheet, a tank is to be made. It is open at the top. So the tank is open at the top. So we just know the length, breadth, and height. So the length, breadth, and height of the length of the tank is 20 meters, the breadth is 12 meters, and height is 8 meters. It is open from the top. So since it is open from the top, so we are going to find the area of 4 walls, and the area of bottom will be included. And this area of the sheet, which is equivalent to the area of the surface area of the tank. So we have area of sheet, area of iron sheet is equal to surface area of tank, is equal to surface area of tank. Now, the area of iron sheet is length into breadth. So length into breadth, the length is what we need to calculate, and the width is given to you as 2.5 meters. So 2.5 meter is the width, and the surface area is going to be the area of 4 walls plus area of a bottom. So area of 4 walls, that is lateral surface area, is twice h in bracket n plus b, and area of the bottom is nothing but length into breadth. So we get this two height. So like dimensions are, your length of iron sheet is 20 meter, the breadth is 12 meter, and the height is 8 meter. So 2h, that is 8 meter deep, 2 into 8 in bracket L plus B, that is 20 plus 12, plus L into B, that is 20 into 12, and this is L into 2.5. So we get 2 8s are 16. It is 2 into 8 is 16. 16 into 32 plus 12 2s are 24, 240. So this we get it as 32 into 16 is 512. 512 plus 240, we get it as 20 plus 2 is 2, 4 plus 1 is 5, 7 plus 5 plus 2 is 7, 752. And we have to find L. So you get L is equal to this divided by 2.5. So divided by 2.5. So this becomes 752 into 10 upon 25. So 5 5s are 25 and 5 2s are 10. So let us keep the length as it is. Now you are asked to find the cost of iron sheet. So the cost of iron sheet is equal to length multiplied by the rate. Now length is 752 into 2 by 5, and the rate is 12.5 per meter. So it is 12.5 per meter, 50. So let us do this. So we get 752 into 2 into, this is going to be 125 by 10 and upon 5. So 5 ones are and 5 25 are, and now you have 25 by 10, and since it is in rupees, we let us keep this. Okay, 2 ones are and 2 fives are, 5 ones are and 5 fives are. So 752 into 5, 752 into 5, you get this as rupees 3760 is the cost of iron sheet required to make the open box. Got it? A closed rectangular box is made up of wood. So there is a rectangular box and it is made up of wood. So this is a cuboid or a closed rectangular box which is made up of wood. The external dimensions of this are given as 78 is the length and 19 centimeters is the width, and the height is what we have to calculate. Let it be h. The internal dimensions we need to find out because the internal volume is given to you. So let us find the internal dimensions. So the thickness is given as 1.5 centimeter. So 1.5 and 1.5 from here. So 3 to be subtracted. We get this as 75, 78 minus 5. 19 minus 5. If I have to take 19 minus 3, the internal width is going to be 16 and internal height is going to be h minus 3. So your internal dimensions now, internal dimensions are 75 into 16 into h minus 3. The height is h minus 3 now, and we are asked to calculate the exterior height. Now read the question once again. The exterior length breadth is given to you, and the capacity of the box is given as 15 cubic decimeters. Cubic decimeter. So 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. So 1 decimeter cube is equal to, you'll have to multiply by 10. So it is 1000 centimeter cube. So the volume is given to you. So how do you get the volume? The volume is length into breadth into height is equal to 15 multiplied by 1000, because this is given in centimeters. So this has to be in centimeters only. So h minus 3 we keep here, 15 into 1000 divided by 75 into 16. 15 ones and 15 fives are 75, 5 ones are and 5 twos are 10, so 200. So you 4 fours are 16 and 4 fives are 20, so 50. So you get 50 upon 4 is 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8 point, so you get 12.5. So you get h minus 3 is equal to 12.5. So h is equal to 12.5 plus 3, which is 15.5 centimeter. This is how the exterior height of the box is 15.5 centimeter. Square on a diagonal of a cube. So you have a cube and there is a square on a diagonal of a cube. So this is the diagonal, and on the diagonal of a cube there is a square, and you are given the area of this square. So area of the square, so area of the square, the side of a square, if the side of a cube is A, side of a cube is A, then the diagonal is equal to A, A root 3. The diagonal of cube is equal to A root 3. A root 3. So the side of the cube, the area, since we are given the area of this, so we have A root 3 square is equal to 1875. So when we square this, you get A square into 3 is equal to 1875. So A square is equal to 1875 divided by 3. 3 6 are 18. 3 twos are 6. 3 fives are, you get 625. And square root of 625 is 25. So you get the side of a cube as 25 centimeter. So this is how we did the first part. Now you are asked to find the total surface area of a cube. So the total TSA of cube is equal to 6a square. There are 6 faces of the congruent distinct. So where is 6 times 25 square. So 25 square is 625. So 6 into 625, which we get it as 625 multiplied by 6. 6 5 are 30. 3 6 2 are 12 plus 3 15. Carry 1. 6 6 are 36 plus 1 37. So we get 3750 centimeter square is the total surface area of the cube. A hollow square shaped tube, a hollow square shaped tube is open. A hollow square shaped tube is open at both ends. So this is a hollow square shaped tube over here. And the internal square is of 5 centimeters. So this is 5 centimeter. And the length of the tube is 8 centimeters. So this length is 8 centimeter. And there are 192 centimeter cube of iron is used in this tube. Iron is, and you are asked to find the thickness. So let us take this thickness to be x and x. So the outer dimensions, now this x plus x get added, you get 5 plus 2x. So this is 5 plus 2x. Now you are given the internal square is 5 centimeter and there are 192 centimeter cube of the iron use. So how do you get the iron use? The iron use is outer volume. Okay, external volume minus internal volume is nothing but it is given to you as 192 centimeter cube. Now, what are the external dimensions? So, external dimensions are 5 plus 2x into 5 plus 2x into 8. Length, breadth, and let us take this 8 as height, minus the internal dimensions are 5 times 5 times 8, and which is given as 192. So, this is 5 plus 2x the whole square times 8 minus 5, 8 are 40, 4, 5 are 20, so it's 200 is equal to 192. So let us expand this. Okay, so this is 25 square is 25 plus 5, 2s are 10, 2s are 20x plus 2x the whole square is 4x square. This multiplied by 8 is equal to 192 plus 200, which is 392. So we have this 25, 20 and 4. Let us write 4x square plus 20x plus 25 and divide this by 8, which is 392 divided by 8. 8 4s are 32, 8 9s are, so you get 49. So you get 4x square plus 20x plus 25 minus 49 is equal to 0. So you have 4x square plus 20x 9 minus 4, 4, 5, 4. This is 24 minus 24 is equal to 0. Dividing throughout by 4, we get this as x square plus 5x minus 6 is equal to 0. Factorize by splitting the middle term. So we have 3 times 2 is equal to 6. But here we are asked to, since the last term is negative, we'll have to subtract the factors of 6 to get 5. So we have 6 times 1 is equal to 6 and 6 times minus 1 is equal to minus 6. So the factors are going to be x plus 6 and x minus 1, which is equal to 0. So you get if x plus 6 is equal to 0, you get x is equal to minus 6. And if x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. So since the width cannot be negative, so you can say that the thickness of this tube is 1 centimeter. Got it? Four identical cubes are joined end to end. So we have four identical cubes which are joined end to end. 1, 2, 3, and 4 identical cubes are joined. And the total surface area of the resulting cuboid is given to you. So if let us take the length of the edge of each one as A. So the breadth is going to remain A and the height is also going to remain A. So this is the resulting cuboid that you are going to get. And we know the resulting cuboid, the surface area is given to you. So for resulting cuboid, so surface area of resulting cuboid where length is going to be 4A, your breadth is going to be A and height is going to be again A only. So the surface area is twice LB plus BH plus HL is equal to given to you 648. So let us put the value. LB is 4A, breadth is A plus BH which is A into A plus HL which is A into 4A. A into 4A is equal to 648 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. We got 324. 4A square. This is 4A square plus A square plus 4A square is equal to 324. So this is 4 plus 1, 5 plus 4. 9A square is equal to 324. So A square is equal to 324 divided by 9. So which we get it as 9 3s are 27 and 9 6 are 54. So you get 36. So A is equal to root of 36, which is 6 centimeter is the edge of each cube. Edge of each cube is 6 centimeter. Now they have asked also find the ratio between the surface area of the resulting cuboid and the surface area of the cube. So surface area of resulting cuboid divided by surface area of each cube. Surface area of each cube. Now surface area of the resulting cuboid is given as 648 and surface area of a cube is 6 side square. So 6 into 6 square. So which is 648 upon 6 into 6 into 6. Let us simplify this. So you have dividing by 6. You get 6 ones are 6, 0 and 6 eights are 48. Again dividing by 6. 6 ones are 6 and 6 eights are 48. Again dividing by 6. 6 threes are. So you get 3 upon 1. So the ratio is 3 is to 1. So thus we have done with exercise 21A, children. So if you like it and if it is useful, please share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.